You're the grand prize winner of RM20.
I got the phone call, I won, and I'm like, God just like blew my skull cap off that day.
You won a fully restored 1969 Dodge Charger and $20,000.
It's a pretty amazing vehicle, and thanks to you guys, now I can say, hey, it's mine.
And you're the grand prize winner of a 69 Chevelle or $100,000 in cash.
And I was so shocked I didn't tell you that I don't even have a car down here, so that money is gonna help me.
You're the grand prize winner of RM23.
Praise the Lord, pass me the keys.
It even smells old.
It's real. What a beautiful truck. I'm Corey Mitchell from Colville, Washington, and I just won this RestoMods C10 1970 pickup. Woo!
This is crazy. In person, it's pretty amazing. Hey, this is Sean. I'm the winner of the RM21 and $20,000 in cash from RestoMods.com.
So tell me a little bit about the the decision you went through.
Yeah.
How did that decision-making process happen?
I'm 21. It would be nice to have something like that. It's a crazy car, but I need to have something that will help me out in the future, and the money will definitely help me out more than the car. Once again, thank you, man, and we'll for sure stay in touch. I'll update you with what I get.
Man, it even smells old. I'm Steve Grady, Valdez, North Carolina. I just won this car from RestoMods.